Hello friends, today I am going to unbox MGR printed back cover for 10.re. I have brought it from Amazon.in. As you can see, it is packed in hard cardboard casing so that the contents may not leak out. Here you can see the barcode and the QR code. You can scan the QR code on your phone and can get total details about the product. It is tightly sealed from all sides so that the contents may not leak out. And here you can see it is written Amazon Prime and there are other details, and on this side you can see it is tightly sealed from all sides, and here you can see the barcode. It is written NT2, and here on this side you can see the barcode and the QR code. And now I am going to rip it open. I have taken out my pair of scissors and now I am cutting it through. As you can see, I am cutting it here. I am cutting, as you can see, and almost done. Here I am cutting it. It is very tightly packed and sealed from all sides. The MRP of the cover is rupees 135 INR, but I got a discount and brought it for rupees 70 INR. As you can see, this is the bill. It is sent by Amazon, and here it is written Amazon.in, as you can see, and here there are details of the bill and you can see the price. I have brought it for rupees 70 INR. Here I have kept aside the bill, as you can see, and on this side you can see it is written Amazon.in a little bit more, and I am cutting it out. And here you can see it is written NT2, as you can see, and here you can see I am taking out the back cover. This is the back cover. It is also packed in thin polythene with plastic foam. Here you can see the foam with the barcode. As you can see, this is the barcode, and there are other details about the product. There are customer care number, the content, and other price and other things. Very nice and very stylish. The product is very nice. It is MGR printed back cover for 10.re. As you can see the design, its uniqueness, and here as you can see this is the box, and I am cutting it out again to check if there is something inside or not. And here I am cutting it out, as you can see, and it is almost done. The cardboard is recyclable and it is corrugated, nothing more inside the box. And here you can see it is written corrugated recyclable, and here I am folding the box, as you can see, and here I have kept it aside, as you can see, and it is almost done. And here you can see the back cover. It is packed in thin polythene, and now I am taking it out. As you can see, I am taking out the cover, and here it is almost done. As you can see, I am almost done with it. A little bit more and it will be almost out. And here this is the cover, and here you can see this is the barcode, and there are details about the product. And here nothing more. I have kept it aside. The MGR printed back cover is fancy and stylish enough to snap on your phone with ease and strong enough to protect it from bumps and drops and scratches. The high quality designer case is made of polycarbonate substance which is known for its durability. And here you can see this is the plastic foam. I have removed it, and this is the back cover, as you can see, and there are cutouts for camera, for other things, as you can see. And here this is my phone 10.re. It is also very nice and also very stylish, and it is golden in color, as you can see. And now I am going to fit it on my phone, and here as you can see I am fitting it. And the MGR printed back cover is created with latest printing technology where prints are permanent in nature. And here I have fitted it on my phone. As you can see, it is also very nice, very stylish, and exactly fits, as you can see. And there are cutouts for camera, for sensor, as you can see, and these are for the port, as you can see. And this is my phone, and now I am switching on my phone. As you can see, it is switched on, and here you can see it exactly fits the phone. The precise cutouts provides access to all the parts and buttons. The integrated design softly cradles to your phone, giving it add-on protection while complementing its fun look. It perfectly fits your phone. The back cover has got premium matte finish case with high resolution photo finish quality printing using the cutting edge technology, and it is also very nice and also much stylish, having a trendy look. It is very light and very durable and scratch resistant, and it is also wear and tear resistant. It is very easy to install on your phone, and it is provided with anti-slippery and a comfortable grip. The presence and the thing is very nice, and the thing is very stylish. The precise cutouts on this case leaves all the buttons, parts and speakers completely open. It is the newest trend on mobile phone accessories for dual purpose of personalization and protection as well. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.